Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to hide tag photos on Instagram. We start by opening Instagram. Next, we enter the top menu on the right and then Settings and Privacy. Here we move and enter the Tags and Mentions option. Next, we will click on the Review Tags option and then on Tagged. Here we click on Select and then we choose the tagged photo to hide. After that, we will click on Hide and confirm the action. After this, the tags will not be removed but will be hidden from your profile. After that, if we go to the tagged photo section, we will see that the one we have hidden no longer appears. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.